This cube is called as Pyraminx. Let us learn how to solve this cube. This cube is made up of 4 colors: blue, red, green and yellow. This piece is called as a corner piece. Similarly, this is also a corner piece. This is also a corner piece. This is an edge piece. This is also an edge piece. Similarly, this piece is also an edge piece. First is search corner piece without a yellow color. I cannot use this. Yeah. This corner piece is without a yellow color. This is matching. This is also matching. This is matching. Now we will solve the edges. Edges. Search for bottom edge piece without a yellow color. I cannot use this. It has a yellow color. Yellow color. This also has a yellow color. That means the pieces are hiding in the middle layer. You can see this is the top layer. Bottom layer. In between top and bottom is the middle layer. So twist it. Green is over here. I need to turn the top two. So this green, this green. Blue is on right side. I'm just flipping it. Yellow is there. Blue and red. So red should be over here. Red. Blue is on this side. Now we will solve this piece. The triangle should be pointing downwards. See this. It's pointing downwards. And the formula is down, up, down, down, up. Now let us solve this piece. If the piece is on left side, first this will be down. If the piece is on the right side, first this will be down. And we need to change our hands. So now we will solve this piece. Down, up, down, down, up. Now we need to turn the top two layers. This. Now turn the cube. Turn the corners. Now only last three edge pieces are remaining. This one, two, third one. This is not matched. This is also not matched. This is matched. Now I need green color on this side. So down, down, up, up. Down, down, up, up. Now this up, this and this. What if we have three unsolved edges? Let us see. This is unsolved. This is also unsolved. This is also unsolved. I just need to do down, down, up, up. If nothing is matched, I again need to turn the same formula. Down, down, up, up. I'm starting with my right hand. This is down is first, down, up and up. Now I have got one match piece. Yellow is over here, blue is over here. Now I'm turning the cube. The solved edge should be at the bottom. Now I need green color on this side. So same formula. I'm starting with my right hand. Down, down, up, up. So the same thing. Turn the top, turn it like this. And again, I will shuffle the cube and let us solve. Corner piece without a yellow color. Bottom edge piece without a yellow color. Blue. I need blue over here. Red. Red. I need red over here. Now yellow color triangle pointing downwards. Down, up, down, down, up. Down, up, down, down, up. This, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, up. Red is matching, yellow is matching. This should be at the bottom. Now I need green color on this side. So down, down, up, up. Turn the top, left up,